Then gas major BP has announced $1 billion of natural gas expansion in Egypt. In a conversation with CNBC's Dan Murphy on his outlook on the sector, he says that he is not too concerned about the macro situation in Egypt, but still weighed in on the factors impacting the price volatility.
We've got the tragic circumstances in Venezuela. Libya's got some uncertainty to it. You've got the other side. Production will increase, I think, out of the Permian. And, of course, lots of uncertainty around Iran and the sanctions. So the OPEC Plus countries agreed to reduce production in the first quarter. We don't even really have data from it. We'll have to see what the data looks like. But the markets feel tight to me. And we plan BP on this sort of fairway, which I think is good for the world, between $50 a barrel and $65. That's good for producers and consumers. So we're, 62 today, so we're within that fairway.
Would you like to see OPEC Plus members doing more to support prices at this upcoming meeting in April?
I think as an international oil company subject to the markets, I shouldn't have a view about that, actually. I mean, I think what's important is when the prices are too high or they're too low, it leads to all kinds of unintended consequences. So I think they do work, I think, together. History would say they've been working together in some sort of cooperation, and I have no reason to think that's not going to continue this year.
All right, well, moving on, you watch out for the biggest event of the year, the News 18 Rising India Summit that will be held in New Delhi on the 25th and 26th of February. This is one platform where you can catch all the biggest newsmakers of the country, from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah, to the opposition chief ministers Kamal Nath and Bhupesh Baghel. Along with a host of union ministers will be Bollywood and sports icons like Deepika Padukone and former coach of the Indian cricket team Anil Kumble. That's the News 18 Rising India Summit in New Delhi on the 25th and 26th of February.